Well, hello everyone. I know that it has been a long time since I posted a video, and hopefully you have forgiven me for the delay. Been weird and busy around here, and now since the last time I posted a video, we have this pandemic that everybody's talking about and worried about and stuff. And so as you can see, I probably shouldn't see that, but as you can see, I'm working from home today because my company has basically said we have to work from home until further notice. So there's that. This is day 2 of me working from home, which normally we get 1 day a week to work from home, and it's fine and relaxing and not a big deal and all that stuff. But with this, it's pretty nerve-wracking, and I quite literally just miss the people in the office. I miss being around my team. So if you've been with me for years and years and years, then you know that I worked from home for about 3 years, and that's actually when I originally started my YouTube channel, because I was working from home and I could make videos and stuff whenever. And yeah, so now maybe you'll get more videos out of me. I don't know if you'll want them, but you'll get them because I'm basically at my house. I think one of the first things that I really want to do is clean. You know, I'm usually, by the time I get home, I'm tired and I don't feel like messing with it. And on the weekends, I have stuff that I like to do, like walking out in the woods, as you know, and stuff like that. So I will have plenty of time now to clean. I won't have to be on the train in the morning and then in the afternoon. So yeah, so I'm gonna have time to do some things. So I might take you through that process with me. I don't know, maybe it's probably boring to watch me clean. But in the meantime, the video that you're about to see is all about the Chicago Chicago Comic and Entertainment Expo. So C2E2 is what it stands for, or what it translates to. So if you ever look it up, C2E2 is what it is. And my friend Umar and I went, and we had fun. What I will say is I would much rather go to a horror convention and see all the scary Halloween stuff and feel like I'm surrounded by Halloween. That is actually the type of convention that I love. But this was really cool. So if you're into comics, if you're into action figures, if you're into artists and art, if you're into general entertainment type stuff, movies and things like that, then C2E2 is a fun place to go. And there's definitely a lot of vendors who have, I guess I should say vendors and artists, because there was a giant section of artists, and there was a, you know, Marvel was there and DC was there and all that stuff. So so it seems like for anybody who's into that sort of thing, you would probably love it. But I'll show you the things that I did get. I didn't get a whole lot of video and stuff. I'll show you what video I got, and then I'll also show you the pictures of the things that I purchased. I did purchase a couple things. Got some art, of course. You know me at the hopefully. And I can't help but buy some art, and it was definitely spooky art. So there were a couple of sort of booths that were more geared toward the things that I like, which of course is Halloween and horror and stuff. So anyway, enjoy the video. I will see you at the end. Yeah, let's do it.
Man, it's crazy.
We're here. It's mass chaos. Let's like, come here. So like we we walked through security, and then we had to go to the will call, which was another line, and now we're in the floor. So that's what's up. So this right here is a cupcake ATM machine. We're gonna get a cupcake.
We're gonna get a cupcake.
What cupcake do you want? Which one do you want? There's
I'm gonna do a red velvet.
there's vegan.
Ooh. I'll do the vegan red velvet.
Just one.
Yeah, and what do you want?
I'm gonna get.
A C? C-H? R-I-S-T-I.
Follow the instructions on the card reader. It says.
What? Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Your purchase is on the way. Did they just bring it over? Are there people in there?
Oh no, it's in.
There's like a little tiny
a person
person.
in there, exactly.
A little tiny person like
kinda outsourced There's someone in there licking the fingers of the excess
right.
frosting.
Right now as we speak.
Yeah, you precious Kago.
Stop looking at my purse. Ooh, the reveal. So cute. Alright, so we're out here. We're actually out at Bachelor's Grove Cemetery today, walking toward the cemetery. We ran across this thing. There was also a dead raccoon not far back, so these woods are really, really interesting around this cemetery. This is Umer's first time.
It is. I don't have the shoes for this.
He doesn't have the
But
shoes.
I love it.
I'm wearing my hiking boots, of course, because you never know up in these woods. Whoa.
Very creepy.
Well, I mean that's the thing, right? So like, check it out. There's a trail right there,
Uh-huh.
and it's creepy as hell back there.
Wanna go?
Sure, let's
do
go.
it.
That was C2E2. What did you think? Would you go? Would you be interested in going? you know, all the fun questions that I would normally ask you. I know I didn't get a whole lot, and I definitely mixed in some stuff with it, but hopefully you had fun watching, and I hope you have a good day or good night wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching. Click here to subscribe, or click here to watch another video. I'll see you later, creepy poples.